Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I am Coach Sherry, and this is a hotel review in Las Vegas. And this hotel is the Wynn. It is on the corner of Fashion Show Drive and the Las Vegas Strip. It is definitely a stumble upon. My daughter and I saw it when we were eating across the street and had to go in. We actually were attracted to the shopping. It has high-end shopping inside of this hotel, a casino, and many restaurants. This is going to be the next place that we stay. We're going back in the fall, and we are just about ready to make our reservations to stay at the Wynn. Have you stayed at the Wynn before, or have you gone to the Wynn? Let me know in the comment box down below. Also, if you are not yet part of this team, I invite you now to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see. I really enjoy touring this hotel, and just wait until you see what's next. Thanks for tuning in.